Okay, let us have now the second example. Now for the second example, we have a small-scale business of skin products earns 50,000 pesos on its first year. Then the owner sets a goal of increasing the annual sales by 12,000 pesos each year. So ano daw yung gusto niya? Yung isang small-scale business daw ng skin products, yung first year niya, ang kinita na daw niya ay 50,000 pesos. Then, ang sabi niya, ang gagawin niya daw ay, ang gusto niya, ang goal niya ay madagdagan yung earnings niya or yung annual sales niya by 12,000 pesos each year. So, ang hinahanap po natin, ang given sa problem, kung 50,000 ngayon yung kinita niya, ngayong year na to, the next year, dapat daw ay madadagdagan ng another 12,000. So kung 50,000 ngayon, next year dapat ang kitain niya ay 50 plus 12,000. That will be 62,000 pesos. And on the next year, another 12,000 na madadagdag. So again ha, 50,000 yung kinita niya on the first year. Then, 12,000 yung idadagdag sa susunod na taon. So ang tinatanong po, assuming that the goal is met, find the total sales for the first 6 years of the operation. Ang hinahanap po sa atin is the total sales. Magkano daw yung kikitain niya or mapagbebentahan niya for the first 6 years of operation. Now, grade 10, the keyword po sa ating problem is yung total sales. Since we are looking for the total sales, that means we will be looking for the sum. We are looking for the arithmetic series. Now, since we are looking for the total sales, again, ang gagamitin po natin or ang hahanapin po natin ay si S sub N. Or to be specific, since the first 6 years, so we'll need to look for the sum of the first 6 years of operation nila. Now, ano yung mga given? Ano ba yung mga binigay sa atin ng word problem? Balik tayo kanina. Magkano daw yung kinita niya on the first year? Diba? Kumita siya ng 50,000 pesos. So that means, si 50,000 pesos, kung yun yung kinita niya on the first year, so therefore, siya yung magiging A sub 1. Susunod. Ano yung sinabi? Ano yung tungkol kay 12,000 pesos? Diba si 12,000 pesos, siya yung gusto niyang madagdag every year dun sa kanyang annual sales. So si 12,000 pesos, siya yung nadadagdag every year, siya naman yung magiging common difference. And lastly, since yung number na nakasubscript ay n, di ba? N to. So may value tayo na 6. So therefore, ang magiging value ng n natin ay 6. And lastly, for the formula, since we are again looking for the sum, depende na po sa inyo kung ano ang formula na inyo pong gagamitin. Now, for this example, let's say mas madali yung pangalawang formula. Kasi diba sa pangalawang formula, diretso nating makukuha na yung sum. So, for the second formula, we have S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So kung gusto nyo po ay itry din gamitin yung unang formula, kayo na po yung bahala. As long as check natin mamaya kung magiging parehas tayo ng sagot. So again, let's have the solution. So we have again the formula S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So substitute na lang natin yung mga find at yung given kanina. So we are looking for S sub 6 kasi sum of the first 6 years. Yung total sales daw ng first 6 years of operation. So N is 6 over 2 times 2 A sub 1 is the first term, that is yung una niyang kinita, that is 50,000 pesos, plus N is 6 minus 1 times, ano yung common difference kanina? That is 12,000 pesos, yung gusto niyang madagdag. Now, simplify. Mukha lang malaki yung numbers or mukha lang mahaba ang solution, pero madali lang din na ma-solve. Equals, 6 divided by 2, that is 3 times 50,000 times 2, that is equal to 100,000 plus 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Again, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 5 times 12,000 pesos, that is 60,000 pesos. Again, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 5 times 12,000 is 60,000 pesos. Next, 3 times 100,000 plus 60,000 is equal to 160,000, and multiplying those two, 3 times 160,000, again, 3 times 160,000, that is equal to 480,000 pesos. Since we are talking about money, do not forget to include the peso sign. Now, ano yung meron kay 480,000? Diyan na po papasok si conclusion. So, therefore, the total sales for the first 6 years is 480,000 pesos. So again, the total sales for the first 6 years of operation is 400, this is number 4, 480,000 pesos. So again, go back to the learning targets. So na-achieve ba natin, nakapag-solve ba tayo ng problems involving arithmetic sequence and series? So the answer is yes. Therefore, pwede na nating checkan yung learning target na to. And again, grade 10, that is lesson number 5. Solving word problems involving arithmetic sequence and series. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless.